All right, school is on everybody's lips right now, and for good reason. With thousands flocking to this one new app that both Alex Hormozi and Sam Ovens have gotten together with something called the Skool Games, so many people are making their first dollar online, and you can too. And on this video, we're gonna go over the 7 best ways that you can use Skool to make money online like never before. I will say this, Skool is a platform that is like no other platform, okay? And the reason why is because it's the influence from other people, and they have projected 1 billion users to be on it. So you wanna go grab real estate space now and be urgent to get your space, your brand, whatever it is on there. Now, if you don't know what to do, then stay tuned, because I'm gonna go over the 7-step business models that you can go and implement on your Skool community right now. And at the end, the last one is the one that everybody should be doing, because you can make money right away. The first one that I think more people should do is blog post writing. One of my friends has a publication right now, and it's getting trending with certain stories that they're writing, and you can do this as a community and build it and have contributors right inside your Skool community and get contributors right away. Now, with tools like ChatGPT and other AI tools to write it in and then change it to your own with trending topics, you can now build a community where you are actually recruiting people, teaching them the process on how to rank in SEO. And even if you don't know how to do it, what's great thing about Skool is you can crowdsource, get somebody who does, someone who drives the traffic, and then teach this platform, and then you can be entered into Skool Games and really just curate a whole community of people writing blog posts that then you'll publish to your WordPress or your website or wherever you are hosting the blog. All right, the second one is copywriting. Copywriting is huge, okay? So many courses have copywriting. The one biggest thing that I know it makes the most sense is copywriting. Copy is the words coming out of my mouth. Copy is what everybody wants to know exactly what to say, and you can do that. You can create a Skool business called What to Say and teach people what to say and get paid to do it. There's other little, off websites that you can, rank up to being a copywriter, and you can offer people starting it as a community for free and then analyze their copy when they get big on it. The one thing that I got known for was this, for looking over people's copy, where people made money right on their funnel by me changing a couple of words in the beginning, like finally, or announcing before it went into, the copy on a funnel. Copywriting is huge, whether it's email copywriting, blog posts, funnels. Copywriting is everywhere, even scripting videos, which we'll get into later. So something on the realms of copywriting, and maybe recruiting like 3 other good copywriters to look over and help you, build out email campaigns. You can do it. Of course, you can lean on AI, but because they're penalizing AI, it's more need for people to, put their stake in there and say, hey, I'm a copywriter. I'm someone you can trust to write emails for you at a fraction of the cost of somebody, and you can build a community very profitable that way with the term copywriting. Video script writing. One thing that I've seen people win the Skool Games, okay? One of my buddies just won this with video script writing. He did it as a viral trend, and so many times so many people don't know exactly what to say. So similar to copywriting, but because video is so big, if you actually give people scripts and you write them out for them and say, hey, we're gonna actually script out your content with trending topics that you can do for video, so you can rank high in Instagram, YouTube. And YouTube's such a big platform right now, how it's SEO and people are trying to catch the waves, and I don't think YouTube's going around anytime soon. So if you really just get into this and say, hey, we're gonna really write word for word your video script so you know exactly what to say every time you get on a camera, man, I'm sure you can make a Skool community that would really just be a beast at that, where you can then go and give ideas and copy, basically copywriting, but video script, how to do the intro, the hooks, all that. Video script writing would be a huge Skool opportunity. Okay, YouTube automation. So YouTube definitely is not going anywhere, and the biggest thing is faceless channels. So people are growing faceless Instagrams everywhere they are. If you can do something like this, where you can teach people how to automate it, okay? Where it's the simple hack of remixing a reel or remixing a post, where you don't have to put your face in it. You can automate and make money, and you can teach this process. This is a process that so many people try and sell courses, and people get lost in it. And with the Skool community and having people that you can actually, converse with, I'm sure it'll be extremely profitable if you go into that niche and make that happen going forward. Launch your course on the Skool platform. So literally launching a course that you probably already have that's sitting on a shelf and relaunching it, retitling it, maybe making a mini course with a more active, engaged community on a monthly recurring revenue is key. So many people have these other courses on different platforms, and when they bring it over to Skool, they can launch it right into their classroom. They can have people go through it, and they can gamify where they can unlock levels to it. This is key. One thing about Skool, unlike any other, is you can actually gamify how people interact and build a community. And if it's community right and you have a community manager in there, people get more value out of the course that you maybe have sold before and it just sat on the shelf, and you can actually teach a one-on-one Zoom call from it, from relaunching your course content on Skool. Affiliate model. Okay, this is my favorite, and this is exactly what you can see that I think everybody should do. So the biggest way Hormozi is gonna get to 1 billion users is the affiliate model. They made the sweetest affiliate licensee deal where if you use my link every single time, I get 40%. So if I get 3 people into the Skool Games, okay, I'm getting paid $21 and vice versa. So I already have 3. Click the link below, and as soon as you're in there, it's really, you get a weekly call with Hormozi. You get access to the Skool Games where you're in it, where you can see other people in these message boards just writing what's trending right now, what to use viral. It's $99 to host your own, but then once you refer 3 to 4 people, you can actually be making a profit of just being affiliate for Skool and bringing people on Skool. This is a model I decided to do since I build online business all the time. The biggest thing for the draw to do is, hey, use my affiliate link and we'll go this far. And the greatest thing, the bonus is, if someone uses my affiliate link and you win the Skool Games, then we both get to go to Vegas for his one-day mastermind. So really gamified their affiliate model like anything else. So many people want affiliate marketing. What better to have affiliate marketing and bring someone to a platform that's up and coming and getting out there that everybody's searching for, like Skool. Social media marketing agency. So one of my friends actually has this course up there, and he has a free course on building a social media marketing agency. For me, who started first as an SMMA, so many people have questions about this. It is still one of the quickest way with the digital marketing and everybody trying to get into this world to make money. It's the quickest way that you can put a course on and build a social media marketing agency, model. So you actually are communicating some of the best marketers in a community, and you can actually put out really just modules on, this is how you get a 5K or 10K contract a month, right? So many things that people don't know how to do. You can actually solve that if you had an SMMA knowledge, or you can go recruit somebody. So the great thing about Skool, you can take 3 people on it. You take 1 expert, 1 person who drives prospect, and 1 who kind of does the community. This is exactly the same message that way that Hormozi and Andrew Kirby and Sam Ovens did it. Sam Ovens is the genius behind everything and built the platform. Hormozi brings in the traffic, and Andrew Kirby runs the platform. So that's exactly how you want to do it. So look forward to seeing you soon.